Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Chantel here per usual. Thank you so much for joining today. If you like what you see, please do well to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell icon next to the subscribe button, that is, so that whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. Alrighty, thank you so much. In this video, I'll be sharing the 8 things I stopped buying to make more money. I have now become an advocate of spending below my means. That I have the money available doesn't necessarily translate into me spending it on something. Cutting down on or entirely cutting off from spending on these 8 things has helped me save more money while continually living my baby girl life. If you know, you know. First on my list are items on sales. There's a huge difference between buying something because it's on sale and buying something on sale. An item you've had in your carts from when it was full price suddenly goes on sale and you end up purchasing it. That way you are saving because at this point it is no longer a want but a need. But when you shop because you see Zara or any other of your favorite websites having a sale, you just spend that money to an extent unnecessarily because that is an impulse or frivolous purchase. Am I buying the item because I actually need it or because it was on sale? That's something I always ask myself before hopping on any purchase. I have to need that item for me to hop on it. That way I'm saving money because I already kept this money aside for that purchase. Number 2, upgrade on tech items. Being an Apple stan, I'm not going to jump on every iPad, every iPhone, every Mac upgrade because that is very secondary, especially to my finances. Functionality is the primary thing here. Is the software still valid? Can I use the device without having any constraints? If that is a yes, then I'm not hopping on any peer pressure purchase. I mean, it doesn't even come cheap. I used my 8 Plus for the longest time before upgrading to the 14. 10 came, 11, 12, 13, and your girl did not feel the need to upgrade because at the time, my 8 Plus was in good working condition. I wanted a situation where when the time came to change it, which I knew was inevitable, it will be a walk in the park. My Apple Watch is the first one I got in 2019, I believe, and I've not had the need to change it. It's still in good and perfect working condition. And my money is counting and smiling for me in my account. Yeah. Hey, clothes. This one I was baba of buying, but for the last few years I have had to cut down on my spending when it comes to clothes because most times when you look at these things you're like, I spent so much money on this and I'm still looking for what to wear. I'm living a minimal lifestyle now. I don't have a lot of shoes, I don't have a lot of clothes, I have space in my closet. I can look inside my closet and know, okay, this is what I'm wearing today and move on from that, thereby saving that money for better things because I mean there are bigger fish to fry at this point in my life. Number 4, monthly subscriptions. For me it's either Netflix or Amazon Prime, not both of them at the same time. Nah, I'm not doing all of that. I can't have Showmax on, Amazon Prime, Netflix on. That's just so much money wasted on something that is secondary, in my opinion. What I do is to hop on free trials on any app or any software I'm looking to try, look at how it works before investing my money into it. I don't just see something from the homepage and then I subscribe to the paid version. Right now, the only things I'm subscribed to that is standard subscription, month in, month out, are things that are work related. Things like non-copyrighted music on Epidemic Sound, my Apple iCloud for storage space, PicMonkey for my thumbnails, everything that is work related basically. And music of course, because I can't do without music. So I'm subscribed to my Apple Music monthly and that's it. Every other app or monthly subscription is solely based on my cash inflow or something interesting. For example, Netflix, I don't do auto renewal because it has to be something worth watching for me to auto renew my subscription on the platform. Amazon Prime as well, or any of the streaming platforms. Basically anything that is not work related at this point for me, and it has really helped me save more money. The 5th thing I had to cut down to make more money is gym membership. Yes, I had to turn off gym memberships because I realized that having my daily walks and doing my exercise routine at home gave me even better results and for free 99. I even noticed that in the gym I spend more money because when I get there and done working out, I'll see fresh juice to tell you it's just orange, 100% pineapple, and then I buy it and these things don't come cheap. Say from 1,500. So imagine every day of the week you spend 1,500 on just a drink. But at home, I go to the market and get much more quantity with that 1,500 I spend on just one bottle at the gym. So yeah, that's one of the things I've had to cut down or cut off entirely from, at least for now, and it has saved me a lot of money. Eating out is the 6th one on my list. Eating out is one of the money swallowing habits that since I cut down drastically, my account has been smiling. No jokes, no cap at this point. If you know me, you know. Just go back to my vlogs and watch them. When I go out, I go out. I go all out basically. But I had to cut down because it wasn't nice for my bank account. Sometimes you're going out, when you could get back when you're spending like 15,000, 20,000. Am I Dangote's daughter? No, I'm not, obviously. And even if I were to be Dangote's daughter, I know that Dangote is very prudent and he will not let his daughter to be spending like that. On an average now, whenever I'm home, that's in my base, I eat out maybe once a month or at most twice a month, which brings me to splurging. I splurge on myself here and there, but I don't go overboard. Even when I leave town, for instance, the last trip I made, and I had some people I needed to meet. I tried something that really worked for me in terms of my finances. I buddied people together and we all went for lunch and did what I would have done with each person individually, which would have cost way more. Abuja food is not cheap. Any outing that we went for, I spent nothing less than 10,000 naira. So imagine if I had to go out with them individually, how much my purse would have been crying, or I would have been crying physically, literally. Imagine if I take that 10,000 naira and go to the market and get food stuff. I will come to my house and cook a decent lunch for my little family, and we'll all be full and happy and gracious. Cutting down on food it's amazing. If it's something that you've been struggling with, just try some of these points I gave and it will help you. You don't have to cut down entirely because it's a gradual process. Just check your account statement. Maybe that will be enough push for you to cut down on eating out. Number 7, beauty and skincare. This girl is a beauty and skincare enthusiast. Before now, I will hop on every and any trending skincare product. Imagine me buying different brands of products that do the same thing. For instance, as a lactic acid, I will buy it from Paula's Choice, I will buy it from The Ordinary, I will buy it from what have you, any other brand that comes to mind, right? Skincare is not cheap. Same applies to makeup. Now, what I've had to do is cut down on my skincare spending. I just buy things that work for my skin type, not because it is trending. Secondly, before I buy, I do my research, check the ingredients list. If I have something already existing in my skincare basket with same ingredients, then I don't buy that. Thirdly, I wait for the one I have to finish before buying another one. I don't just buy different brands and say, oh, okay, this one is saying hyperpigmentation, this one is saying acne, whatever, this one is saying glowy skin, when you have products like that in your stash already. It also applies to my beauty products. Prior to this time, I'll have like 5 or 6 setting sprays, I'll have like 7 powders, I'll have blushes. Tell me what is going on. Even in the days of me doing makeup artistry, I wasn't spending as much on makeup and skincare. So yeah, I had to cut down on items like that to save me or make me more money. The 8th and final thing I had to cut down on to make me more money are investments I do not understand. Q, Twinkers and the likes. All them invest 10,000 naira, get 25,000 naira, get it behind me. Even if it's my family member, right, that is championing the platform, that is the owner of the platform, that I know I'll get my money back. I will dust my shoes and run because I've had my personal learning experience from these investments. Now, even with the little ones I have that are legit, right, I still did my in-depth research before hopping on it, before investing my little money into it. So any investment I do not understand, I'm not going for it again. Forex, whatever, come to my friend and tell me, okay, 100 naira to get 150 naira. I don't want. I'd rather use that 100 naira and buy bubble gum or sweet on the road. I'm not investing in anything that I do not understand. Okay? That's it, y'all. Those are the 8 things I've had to cut down on or cut off entirely to make me more money, to save more money from me. And I can tell you for a fact that my account is smiling tremendously. I also wanted to point out that these things should be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. So what works for me might not work for you, vice versa. If you have anything that will help someone else in terms of cutting down, please leave same in the comment section. If you got value from this video, you know what to do. Please consider sharing it, give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribing if you are yet to. Alrighty, thank you all so much for tuning in today. I'll see you all in
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiot.